Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at replacing a starter in a 97 Subaru Legacy. Let's check it out. Okay guys, and for this one I'm just going to do a quick how-to, but this should give you all the info you need to know. So go ahead and disconnect your negative battery cable. It's a 10mm, disconnect that. And on this one, I believe it's a 2.2, it just slides right through here. You'll see your little mounting holes. The one is going to be right here. It'll be a 14 right on the end there, and then there'll be a 17mm nut where you see my finger right there, and I'm gonna show you me putting it back on. That might make it a little easier for you. So this is what the new one looks like. So we're just gonna kind of drop this bad boy in, just kind of sneak, and maybe I could do it one-handed. Yeah, perfect. Okay, and I lift it up one-handed. Oh, and I just dropped it on the floor. So we'll look at it here in a second when it's on. Alright, and with two hands, I was able to get the new one on there, and now we can see, like, right here, we have your positive battery cable. It's like a 12 or 13 going back on. Back here, we have our control wire, and that guy just plugs right into this little piece right just beyond here. I'm touching it. Oh, there you go. It just snaps right back on there. And then you have a long bolt that goes to the top. You can see it's pretty good long. And make sure you get the ground back on there. And you can see it's running through there. And then your little nut, I think this might, no, it looks too small to me, that one. But it's like a 17mm nut. And just make sure you put that on the stud. You can see the stud right there, right at the end of my finger. So what I did was I just kind of reached around the starter with an extension. I used an extension like this to get the nut on and off of that stud. So that's it. It's a pretty simple project. Thanks for watching.